Hello and welcome to my channel, and we've got another build to do. Le Porsche 917 KH. This is stages 21, 22, 23 and 24, which is box number 6 of this beautiful magazine. I've prepared a little bit, as you can see right there already. And I've put a little bit of wire in. I just want to see on this side how it works, and in 23 I've got everything still in as a wire like that, and we'll see if the way I'm doing it with wire is okay. But thank you for joining me again, and do have a look at my channel. There are quite a few other builds to do to see, and I am enjoying them so very much. I've not been posting quite a lot lately because well, we all know that shipping is a big problem at the moment. IXO is even putting it on their website at the moment. One of the few that actually says that problem exists. The other ones are not telling you anything about it. But without further ado, let's just get to the build and start stage 21. So this is what the engine looks like now. As you can see, beautiful to see, and I'll give that camera a good look at it as well. We're going to turn it upside down, and we're going to work on this side, but we're going to start on this is the right side and that's the left side. I checked that before with that little thing. That's the left hand side, sorry, the right hand side. So we're going to start with the left hand side manifolds, and we're going to start with an BP screw to put those together. So we're going to start with am I starting? Yes, we're starting with the one that has the little pin there that will catch right there on that right there, and then we're going to put that BP, am I saying it right? The BP right there. As you can see, it holds quite well. That little part I've broken already. I've asked for IXO for a new one, and I got that. They're very quick on that. Then we're going to put the top half of it, or the lower half, I don't know how we want to see that, and we're going to put an AP in that, and that's this one. I think I need to do a little bit of gluing there. Oh, they're holding better up better now. So we're going to do the other side as well. And we've learned that we have to screw from this side, so we get that one in first. Yep. Then we're going to put that on top. Maybe I show you this way. You heard it there. You heard it snap in place. And we're going to get one of those tiny screws out again. This is the AP, and there you go. Those are the two exhausts on, as you can see. The gaps are pretty much okay. I'm happy with that. Right here with these brackets. And we're going to put them on like so. That one is on that side, and that pushes those the two upper, the lower upper and the lower part together as well, which gives it a tighter fit. And I'm so much further already. Let's see, the IMs, yeah, we have to use those as well. Okay, well, that's that part done. Put those away. As you can see, exhaust manifolds, the exhaust left and are in there. Yeah, sorry about that. The exhaust outlets, as they call them, the exhaust outlets right here. They're neatly together and put in quite properly. So we're going to go to stage 22. Okay, stage 22. As you can see on the picture, we're going to put that together and the pipes that we have here. And I've taken out all these little 22C ignition wire connectors. But before we go on, first thing we need to do is put those two together. You don't need to have a look at where that one goes where, just have a look at where those go. Neatly fixed together. And we are going to put a AP in there. There we go. And now we're going to get the tweezers out because we're going to fill all those little holes with these. Okay. It was a bit fiddly, and I've broken two of those tops off, but it's in. Except for this one will not fully fix. Nope, but it's not coming loose as well. So there we go. Left and right. I think they're exactly the same, so that doesn't matter. Okay, stage 22. Get the engine in, and on what side are we going to work? We're going to work on. Start with that one first. And we're not gonna glue that because that's loosely in at the moment. No, we are not. And now we're gonna start the whole wiring thing. And we're gonna start with a 10 centimeter one. Okay guys, after a lot of fiddling, this is what I got it up to, but that thing keeps coming loose, and it's bugging me. So I'm gonna put a little super glue in there so that keeps there. So this is how I got it in. This is all with wires in them, and it looks a big mess, but I'm gonna see what it does on the other side, and I'm gonna do that side without, just to see what the difference is between the two. So this is stage 23, same thing as the other side, so I'm going to shut my mouth, and you can see at the end how it is. Okay guys, as you can see, all the wires are in. Ignition wires. And I'm not quite sure which one is better, with wire or without wire. I'm happy with this. So I'm going to leave it be. Okay, we can put that all aside, and we've got stage 24, as you can see right there. Last stage of this pack, and we're going to start with that one. That is the window washer reservoir, and we have that little thing as well. Have a look at that side. There is a shaped part there. Goes on just like that. And then we're going to get that out. That's a lid for, or a cap, as they call it, for the top of that window washer reservoir, which goes on this side. Okay, that cap is in. And then that little mini hose, see-through hose, is going over these. Let me get my tweezer out. It's a little bit easier to push that on, although it's on quite a good way already. And then we're gonna bend it. Bend it, bend it. Like so. And then we've got that together. That is step 1 done. We're going to go to step 2. We're going to put that on that little frame. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Metal, people. And this is going... Okay. There's a little location pin that can go into that hole, and of course that screw hole there. And we're going to turn it around and put a screw in on that side, and that's the AP. There we go. That's in correctly. Then we're going to put that bracket over it, and that hole and that hole catch them, and of course the one in the middle. And then it's the case of pushing it in, because it is a push to fit, as you can see right there. So then we go to that side. We're going to have a look at that. And we're going to have a look at the one with the 2 stickers on 2 sides. And we're going to push that through that lug hole there. We're going to put the cap on. And we're going to put a hose on underneath. And they're both the same length, slightly longer, but that's alright. I'm going to push that on the lower side here, where the thin pin is. We're going to the next page, meaning I have to turn the page. And then we're going to put that other one on. Again, with the thin one to down, just like this one. Then we put that cap on. And these are oil pumps and of the sort of something. I'll have a look in a moment. Just you put that little thing, the plastic thing on the back. If you want, and I have a little bit left, you can put a little bit of glue there to keep it in. And then, oh, it is going on the front, meaning that little hose will have to come forward. Yep, and we've got it like that. Let's see. And that's that for this whole thing, guys. That's just finished it off. Whew, that was something, wasn't it? Okay, guys, this is the Porsche. It was a little bit of it was a quite fiddly thing. It took me quite some while, but it's most of those ignition wires that are pretty hard to put in. And as you can see right here, it's gone pretty good. And that's the other side. So this is a wired side, non-wired side, and that's a wired side. I don't know what I'm going to do, if I'm going to leave that, but I'm going to deliberate that with myself. Then we made those reservoirs, window washers and oil reservoirs of some sort, and on that A-frame, and that's that. That was that for this Porsche box number 6, stages 21 through to 24. It's a beautiful build by IXO, and wow, detail is pretty darn good, and I love this thing. Well, that's the end of the magazine. That's what the last stage was all about, in stage 24. I haven't got anything else to do, but thank you very much for joining me. Thank you very much for staying all the way to the end, and I really hope to see you next time, or on any other of my other builds. Please have a look on my YouTube channel, and please like and subscribe. I'd love to get some more subscribers in, and if you do have any comments, please let me know if you think anything of it, and be kind and gentle. But thank you very much again. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and I do hope to see you next time. Thank you very much, and bye bye.